Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another reddish brown wig. You guys know this is my favorite hair color at the moment. This wig is from Arabella Hair. It came with so many goodies and I'm gonna jump right into the tutorial. So I'm gonna start by putting some foundation on the lace. I am also doing a wig bald cap method. As you guys can see here, I'm putting some foundation in my bald cap as well, and then I'm gonna move on to putting the wig on. So because it's a 13 by 4 lace front wig, I'm going to cut the sides to make sure it fits around my ears. This step is very important because if you don't cut the wig around your ears, it's just not gonna look good. I use some alcohol pads to clean up my skin and make sure I don't have any makeup on it. And I'm using a little wooden spatula to spread it around. You want to make sure each layer of glue is as thin as possible, and you want to use your blow dryer to dry it between layers. And then I'm gonna go for 3 more coats. I'm also working in sections because it just makes everything easier for me. It's a very useful beginner hack. Working in sections, you can make as many sections as you wish for. I like doing 3 because that's more than enough. That's more than what I need. So for the last layer of glue, I am not gonna dry it all the way. I'm gonna let it be a little bit tacky and more so like a washed white kind of color. I don't know how to explain it, but you guys can see how you can still see a little bit of the white. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig in place and start pressing down with my comb. I'm also gonna use a blow dryer to make sure the hair it's sticking to the glue and into my skin. And then I'm gonna move on to the next 2 sections on the sides. Now that I'm done gluing my wig and pressing down the lace onto my skin and the glue, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace. And I'm gonna use a eyebrow razor for that because it just gives me the perfect zigzag effect, which is what you're looking for a more natural looking hairline. And after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and put my elastic band so it can press down the wig. I'm gonna leave it on for a few minutes. I was almost out of my Evine lace spray, so I just used a little bit that was left to fix any possible lifting on the lace, and of course to melt down the lace into my skin even more. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to hot comb the hair. I wanted to have a middle part for this week, so I make sure I get my part straight, and then with my hot comb and a little bit of wax stick, I'm gonna go ahead and start pressing down the wig with the hot combs to make sure it's flat on the top and it looks as nice as possible. And then I'm gonna move on to styling the hair in a half up, half down with a little bit of bangs in the front. The half up and half down, it's very easy. Of course, you want to make sure you put your bangs apart first, and then you twist it or you clip it so it doesn't get on the way of everything else. And then you want to put your hair in a ponytail, some of your hair in a ponytail. I try to do as high as possible. And after the ponytail is done, I worked on my bangs a little bit and I curled all of my hair. The hair is so pretty. I felt like it deserved more than the typical, just curling the hair and having it in the middle part. Of course, I'm gonna show you guys how the hair looks outside of the hairstyle so you guys can get the full picture. But honestly, this was just so cute and I was absolutely in love with it. I'm not even done with the hairstyle yet, and honestly, it's just too cute. Like, literally, this looks so good. The hair takes in the heat so well. I've tried so many colored wigs, and honestly, some of them can feel a little bit on the drier side, but this is so silky, so pretty, so soft. It looks amazing. I took down the hairstyle in the same night, and I showed you guys how the hair looks down and normal, and it was still perfectly fine even though I applied some holding spray and everything. It's just beautiful. But anyways guys, this is everything for this video. I really hope you guys like this tutorial and you guys like the hairstyle that I did. If you do, make sure to go ahead and check my description box. You guys would also find a link to Arabella's website on my description box, as well as all the information of the hair. So make sure to check it out, and I will see you guys on my next video. Happy holidays. Muchísimos besitos. Mwah. Bye.